Welcome back to Mindset Vault, where we unlock the cosmos and your mindset together. Tonight, we are re-diving into the science behind one of the most spectacular sky events of 2025, the blood moon, the total lunar eclipse of September 7th 8. What causes it? Why does the moon turn red? And what makes this one so special? First off, let's define our terms. What is a lunar eclipse? Simply put, it's Mother Earth making a move on her orbiting companion, the moon. When the moon lines up perfectly between the sun and the Earth casts its shadow on the moon. This shadow is actually made of two parts, the penumbral shadow, which is the lighter outer region, and the umbra, the darker inner part. A lunar eclipse starts with the moon entering the penumbral shadow, which causes a slight dimming of the moon's light. Then comes the partial phase, where part of the moon moves into the umbra. Finally, totality arrives when the entire moon is bathed in Earth's darkest shadow. That's the lunar eclipse peak. Totality is only about an hour or so long, but it's quite a sight. The moon turns a deep coppery red color, hence the name blood moon. Now you might wonder, why does the moon turn red? To answer that, we need to understand some basic physics. Sunlight looks white, but it's made of different colors of light. When light bounces off our atmosphere, shorter wavelengths like blues and greens get scattered more than longer ones like reds and oranges. This scattering effect is known as Rayleigh scattering. It's also why our sky is blue during the day. During a total eclipse, most of Earth's atmosphere acts like a lens, bending and filtering sunlight. The blue and green light gets scattered away, leaving mostly longer wavelengths to pass through. These reddish hues then reach the moon and illuminate it, so we see a deep coppery red or blood color. So that's what a lunar eclipse is, and why it turns the moon red. But why should you care? Why is the September 7-8, 2025 eclipse such a big deal? Well, this is one of the longest lunar eclipses we've seen in decades. The totality phase will last approximately 82 minutes. That's almost 6 minutes longer than average. It may not sound like much, but it gives us more time to watch the red glow fully develop and lets observers fully experience the moon's dramatic transformation. Plus, the longer duration means there's a better chance of clear skies in your location. That's because the moon takes about 90 minutes to pass through Earth's shadow. So a longer totality means less risk of clouds ruining the view. The eclipse will be visible from large parts of Asia and Western Australia from start to finish. People in Europe, Africa, and Eastern Australia will see a partial or penumbral view, and thanks to live streams and global coverage, pretty much anyone can watch. The September 2025 blood moon rises early in the morning local time for most of the Americas. For many places, the moon will have set by the time totality happens. But don't despair. You can still catch the eclipse action via online channels like NASA's. Here are some extra tips for making the most of the eclipse. Find somewhere dark with a low horizon. You may see the moon rising already in eclipse in some locations. Binoculars or a small telescope help you see the details of the lunar surface, but even just the naked eye viewing is beautiful. Don't worry about eye or light damage. Unlike solar eclipses, there's no intense radiation to harm your eyes. Just ensure there's no bright light or reflections in your binoculars or telescope. If you use one, weather and light pollution matter. The red tones are more vivid when the atmosphere is clean and away from city lights. So check the weather and light pollution forecasts for your area and plan accordingly. In conclusion, the upcoming blood moon or total lunar eclipse is a must-see event for stargazers and eclipse enthusiasts alike. While science shows us that this blood moon isn't magic, it's cosmic mechanics, physics, and light. Understanding it doesn't make it less awe-inspiring, it makes it deeply meaningful. As the Earth's shadow sweeps across the moon, we're witnessing a dance of light, atmosphere, and position. The September 2025 eclipse is your chance to look up, learn, and feel connected. In our next video, we'll dive into how this blood moon can be a powerful catalyst in your life, the mindset shifts it supports. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Where are you watching from and what color do you hope the moon turns for you? Until next time, keep looking up. The vault of knowledge is vast, and your mind is the key.